Let's go live. Okay.
Look at it, but don't show me.
Okay, this one. Okay, this one.
Just one. Just pick one.
One.
Just pick one.
Look at it, don't show me.
Okay.
And then,
Ano nga ipag-show me? Ano ba?
Sa'yo, naka-live yan eh.
Naka-live eh. Okay, okay.
Ano sa'yo akin?
don't show me.
Yeah, show in the video.
Don't show me.
Show in the video. Okay. Put it back. Don't show.
Anyway.
Yeah.
Okay. But then I already know what your card
Yeah.
is. Why? Because
Yeah.
it's on the top.
No. Ang kano nga jay. So katam ka no. Ni Papa nagulong kamat.
If you see your card in any of these stacks, then point to it.
At the end.
Yeah.
Stop.
Ampay
Ito dom. No, dito.
Okay.
Hindi nakakitaan. Hindi ka
Which stack is it?
Oh my God. That's too scary.
Pressure, ate. No pressure. No pressure.
No pressure. It's a pressure on Denny. Make sure you understand what Megan's saying, okay?
Just like when Tito said, grassy cow.
Magaro ka pa Ang final pass.
Ano, hintay?
Yan, hintay ah.
Hintay Oh, that's Tagalog.
Hindi talaga.
And then, hintay. Magic trick, Megan.
May pamakirumi-rumi.
Let's see.
Oh, the middle again.
Why?
I don't know.
Oh my God, you might get it wrong. Okay.
I don't know.
Is that the last one now?
Yeah.
Ding, ding, ding. No pressure. It's okay.
Is this your card?
Yes.
One is out. Kasi dati video eh. Hey, good job.